I'm Arvind, working as a Java developer in Spyro Group of Solutions. Now I am explaining about my topic is automatic generation of the domain module from electronic textbooks, method and validation. Technology supported learning system have proved to be helpful in many learning situations. The system require an appropriate representation of the knowledge to be learned. The domain module, the authority of the domain module is cost and labor intensive, but its development cost might be lightened by profiting from automatic domain module authority techniques and promoting knowledge reuse. An incomplete domain module may result in a system that is only able to provide a part of instruction required in the domain. Difference between existing and proposed. Existing, the automatic generation of the domain module being rarely addressed. In proposed, the generation of LDO is evaluated based on the amount of automatically gathered knowledge. Existing, we using domain module authority technique. Proposed, we using natural language processing. Drawbacks of existing: we cannot do the automatic process of the electronic books. And proposed advantages are the automatic or semi-automatic generation of the domain module be addressed very easily. Example applications are online ebook library, ontology using multi-document searching. Hardware requirements are processor Pentium 4, RAM 512 MB, monitor 15-inch color, hard disk 40 GB. Software requirements are front-end J2EE, back-end MySQL, operating system Windows 7, IDE Eclipse. Difference between proposed and future. Proposed, the generation of LDO is evaluated based on the amount of automatically gathered knowledge. In future, DYM sort aims to be domain independent, so no domain specific knowledge is used to accept the processed electronic textbook and the knowledge gathered from it. In proposed, using natural language processing as an algorithm. In future, using ontology matching techniques. Enrichment, the automatic of semi-automatic generation, the domain module being addressed very easily. Domain module being frequently used. In extravagant searching the words in ebooks that will show the files from the server. The rules of the definitions performed better in English, probably because the sentence employed in the book are shorter and therefore less complex. Thank you.